Welcome to our channel. Today we how to remove saved payment methods on iPhone, wallet cleanup step by step clearly.
Unlock your iPhone and make sure you are on the home screen. Open the Wallet app by tapping the wallet icon.
If you do not see wallet, swipe down on the home screen and type wallet in search.
In Wallet, look for the cards list and tap the payment card you want to remove.
On the card screen, tap the More button, which looks like 3 dots in the top right corner.
From the menu, select Card Details to open the full settings for that card. Scroll down until you find the option called Remove Card.
Tap Remove Card and read the message that explains what will be removed.
Tap Remove to confirm and delete the card from Apple Wallet on this iPhone.
If asked, authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode to finish the removal. Go back to the main wallet screen to check that the card is no longer listed.
Repeat the same steps for any other card you no longer want to keep in Wallet.
If you use Apple Watch, open the Watch app on your iPhone. In the Watch app, tap Wallet and Apple Pay. Under Payment Cards, tap the card you want to remove from your Apple Watch.
Tap Remove Card and confirm to delete it from the watch as well. To remove a card more broadly, open the Settings app on your iPhone. In Settings, tap Wallet and Apple Pay. Under Payment Cards, tap the card you want to manage. Tap Remove Card and confirm to remove it from Wallet via Settings. If Remove Card is not available, check whether the card is restricted by screen time. Go to Settings, tap Screen Time, then tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. If restrictions are on, open Allowed Apps and make sure Wallet is allowed. Go back to Wallet and Apple Pay and try removing the card again. If the card belongs to family sharing or a managed device, you may need the organizer or admin to remove it. If you see an error, make sure you are connected to Wi-Fi or cellular data and try again. For extra cleanup, remove expired or unused cards, and keep only the ones you actively use. When you are done, close Wallet and consider restarting the iPhone to refresh settings if needed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.